The rains have been too much. Look, I have lost everything here. I am homeless now. I don't know what to do.
This isn't the first time we've had floods in this area, but this year it's too much. Many houses have been destroyed.
My plea to the government, donors and aid agencies is to bring us all the necessary items for our survival. The floods have made our lives miserable. Many things have been destroyed. All the crops have been washed away. We urgently need tents and food. Yes, we do have experience of floods, but this is a punishment. We need help.